are many different types of volcanoes. Let's explore them together. Tap here to see inside the volcano. A shield volcano is shaped like a shield.
Its caldera is so big.
A cone volcano looks like a pyramid.
Cone volcano is awesome.
An extinct volcano is a volcano that will never erupt again.
The extinct volcano is so quiet.
A dormant volcano is just asleep, but the substance inside is still moving.
The dormant volcano is waking up.
Volcano, volcano. Put it together. Volcano, 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 volcano. The magma rushes out of the ground and the volcano erupts. Volcano, volcano. Read it together. Volcano, volcano,
Volcano.
rock, rock. Put it together. Rock, 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 rock. The mantle is hot and rocks melt into magma. Rock, rock. Read it together. Rock, rock,
Rock.
hot, hot. Put it together. Hot, 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 hot. The magma spewing from the volcano is hot and steaming. It can even ignite flames. Hot, hot. Read it together. Hot, hot.
Hot.